Hey everyone, with Lance Fantasy Gaming. It is part four for November 2025 Patreon. I'm doing this in the morning before school starts on Thursday, so sorry if I'm kind of sound rushing in many ways. I forgot last night. I was just exhausted in many ways for it. I have like 2 weeks and a half left of school for this semester, and you have like 2 months and a half for the baby to come out. So. And yeah, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page in Discord. And yeah, and we got Dragon's West. This is a terrain for it. I don't know if they finally released what's coming out this month, but we only got this door that was last month. But hopefully soon we'll get the November one. Not a problem. My 3D print forge. If you're into World of Warcraft, this is probably a good one. So we got the Yetis and the Frugals, I believe they're called. I forgot what they were called in World of Warcraft. All I know is I kill a lot of these things, and like in I was in Elf, and also dwarves as well. Hell Creator does figures. And all of this will be down in the description below for your for the links. So we got the Star Wars Survivor. I own it, haven't played it. We got Toothless out with a mouthful of fish. And we got Kingdoms Come Deliverance 2. This is what the plan is coming in. Only thing I'm excited for is this Bomb Chick from Chainsaw Man and uh, Stella Blade. I think it's Eve. I haven't played Stella Blade yet. You know me. I go back and forth a lot of times with games for it. But I did beat the new Digimon game though. I had really fun with that. Blue Sky Miniatures, uh, November. If you're into orcs and you need proxies for it, this might be the best bet for you. Looks like this is another mob boss with a big ass sword and a little pipe and a little is that a grot? Yeah, with a gun in his mouth too. I don't know, but yeah. So this looks like a samurai style orc if you're interested of it too. Penske Miniatures. This is for basically if you're interested in like war tabletop style that has aliens, predators, Terminator, so forth, video games and anime series and sci-fi and cyberpunk series as well. Got Self Army Corp Comp Infantry for it. We got the cyberpunk one as well. You have the Xeno Symbiote one. So it was like basically like Venom and Alien if they were mashed up together for it. That would be kind of cool to have in many ways. And yeah, they have a lot of stuff. We got some StarCraft here too. We got some Protoss and the Terrans. Um, for the Cyberpunk one for November, looks like a lot of K-pop Demon Hunter ones that's coming out with it as well. We have Flesh of God. This is like a grim dark for D&D. If you're interested in Elden Ring or Dark Souls, this is probably the best bet. Again, November is open. So we have the Necro Forge, looks to be for it. So basically, they took like a lot of stuff from Prometheus and basically put together what I think it is. That first one. We got the Spiner Reaper that looks like an alien. Got a Forge Strider, Necroth Waverin, Stream Wraith, Fesh Golem Mechanism, Bonebringer Titan. I think this is will be an extra good one for medium enemies. Necroth Brute, a whole bunch of stuff. Candlemen. So I'm guessing these are like candles, shaped as men as a wax golem. Forge Engineer and the Flesh Auditor. Your heroes for it. And you have your bust. There should be a gargantuan. There's your throwback right there as well for it. Cyber Forge miniatures. This has your proxies for Warhammer 40K. To your left, they look like Dark Angels or Grey Knights. If it has a lot of, I mean, like a whole crapload of sacred texts or sacred scrolls, that's going to be a Grey Knight, most likely. You also have look like a Hollow Knight, hope on a mechanism. These four you can probably proxy for Nurgle, and you have your terrain piece right here as well for just $10. Not that bad. OXO3D. These are figures, and for that, let's see what they got. They got Jins. You know, for I have not watched K-pop Demon Hunter, and I'm not even looking forward to watch it anytime soon. Just letting you guys know. We got Princess Peach as well. This is gonna be November lineup for it. And this is the bottom. We got two. I do want her, and not really. These three, I already have so many of these minis of so far. This one for World of Warcraft, I do would like to have. Uh, um, I already have all these, but I'm not really interested in Demon Hunters. I'm sorry. When I was a kid, I watched a lot of Korean dramas and Mana check, read a lot of Mana checks. Uh, After a while, I just don't like it. It's just me, not you. It's just me. November. Hopefully, we get something. This is what this is. Sorbane Publishing. This is good for if you do Spelljammer in your campaign, and this is mostly a lot of stuff like a big ass buff Mind Flayer. Uh, you get the Yeti. It looks like more like a freaking Minotaur than a Yeti. To tell the truth, we have the Elder Brain, the Chicot Pack Hunters, the Mutated Scorin Raverin, Intellect Devourers. That's actually pretty cool. Is that it? Oh, they usually come with a ship, so it might be an alloy. I do not know. Hopefully, it will let us know later on. Gamescape is a good terrain too for like any kind of tabletop experience. And they're still working. They're working on the river and so forth. I don't know what they're adding in. So if you have a filament printer, this is probably the best bet because a lot of their stuff are huge in many ways, and this will probably help out a lot. So you have a watermill and so forth for it, damaged walls. So this is actually pretty good to have in many campaigns. But yeah, if I had more money, I would actually print a lot more, but I don't. All right, Wicked. Looks like we got you having Resident Evil for this month. Looks like the welcome pack and promo. Chris Redfield, Resident Evil. Uh-huh. And October summary. You can see some of them, but we actually looked at some last month. These are detailed. Wicked is mostly for like DC. They do a lot of DC um, figures, but they do have like extras, like bonus for movies and video games and so forth as well. 3D art guy. So welcome pack. I am your captain, sci-fi. So we got some Space King minis figures as well. We got the Doom Emperor for it. I don't mind printing these things to scale for my Warhammer, for my Blood Angels. I think it'd be freaking hilarious in many ways. Uh, but yeah, I do like the freaking the animation and stuff for it as well. Yeah, I'm gonna have to probably paint the shoulder blades one side red, uh, turn that into a Liberian, so forth. But yeah, it's kind of cool. Let me see if that. Yeah, there's Dune Emperor for it. I do not like the new Doom. Letting you guys know, it's just too slow for me. November release pack. We have a Custody, a Night Wraith. I forgot. I think he's from the Three Musketeers or Robin Hood. And we have a Bard as well. That's 1 year plus. Glad miniatures. Looks like we're having Amazonian, if I'm saying it right. And Berserk Studio, they do Marvel. No, Wicked does Marvel. Berserk does DC. So it looks like there's a Green Lantern one that you can print for it. Hal Jordan, November hasn't come out yet, but I think that'll be it for today. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our pitch and Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you have a great day, guys. Bye.